What will we cover in this guide? In today's video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about fertilizers. First, we'll explain what fertilizers are and why they're crucial for healthy crops. Next, we'll cover the different types of fertilizers available and the best times and methods for applying them. We'll also discuss the consequences of neglecting fertilization and how it can impact your harvest. Finally, stay tuned as we showcase some of the latest, state-of-the-art machines that are transforming the way we fertilize crops. Imagine this: a world where crops grow stronger, yields are higher, and our soil remains fertile for generations to come. But achieving this isn't just about planting seeds and hoping for the best. It's about understanding fertilizers. Welcome to this deep dive, as only few people know it, so keep in touch till the end so you can grab maximum knowledge from this video. Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a gardening enthusiast, or just curious about how our food is grown, understanding fertilizers is crucial. Why? Because the right knowledge can transform soil into a powerhouse of nutrients, directly impacting the food we eat. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are vital tools in agriculture that enhance soil fertility by providing plants with the essential nutrients they need to grow and flourish. At the core of most fertilizers are three fundamental nutrients: nitrogen, which promotes leafy growth; phosphorus, which strengthens roots and flowers; potassium, which improves overall plant health and resilience. In addition to these primary nutrients, some fertilizers are enriched with micronutrients like zinc and other trace elements, which are crucial for supporting various plant functions and ensuring balanced growth. Together, these components work to transform ordinary soil into a nutrient-rich environment, enabling crops to reach their full potential. Types of fertilizers. Understanding the types of fertilizers available is crucial for choosing the right one for your crops. Broadly speaking, fertilizers can be categorized into two main types: organic and inorganic. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources, such as compost, manure, bone meal, or plant residues. These fertilizers work by gradually releasing nutrients into the soil as they decompose, which means plants receive a steady supply of nutrients over time. Because they improve soil structure and increase its ability to retain water, organic fertilizers also enhance the overall health of your soil. They are especially beneficial for long-term soil fertility, promoting sustainable farming practices. However, because the nutrient release is slower, it might take longer for plants to show significant growth. In contrast, inorganic fertilizers are synthetically manufactured to provide a quick, concentrated supply of essential nutrients. These fertilizers are often formulated to address specific nutrient deficiencies, making them highly effective at delivering a fast nutrient boost to plants. Inorganic fertilizers are particularly useful when plants need an immediate supply of nutrients, such as during critical growth stages. However, they don't improve soil structure and may require careful application to avoid over-fertilization, which can harm plants and the environment. Both types of fertilizers have their unique advantages, and the choice between them depends on your crop needs, soil health, and farming practices. For instance, if you're looking for long-term soil health and gradual nutrient release, organic fertilizers are the way to go. If you need quick results or to correct specific nutrient deficiencies rapidly, inorganic fertilizers might be more suitable. A balanced approach, using both types when appropriate, can often yield the best results. When to fertilize your crops. Understanding when to fertilize your crops is just as important as knowing what type of fertilizer to use. The timing of fertilization can make a significant difference in the health and yield of your crops. Generally, the best time to apply fertilizers is early in the growing season, right after planting, or when seedlings begin to emerge. This is because young plants need a strong nutrient boost to establish roots and start growing vigorously. As your plants grow, their nutrient needs change. For example, just before flowering or fruiting, plants require additional nutrients to support these energy-intensive processes. Applying fertilizer during these key growth stages ensures that your crops have the nutrients they need when they need them most. It's also essential to observe your plants regularly. Look for signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as yellowing leaves or stunted growth, which might indicate that additional fertilization is necessary. By paying close attention to your plants and understanding their growth stages, you can optimize your fertilization schedule to maximize crop health and productivity. Remember, timely and appropriate fertilization is the key to achieving a bountiful harvest. Fertilization timing based on crop type. Let's focus on fertilizing two major crops, wheat and corn. We'll break down when and how to apply fertilizers for each, ensuring you maximize your yield. Check out the table for a quick reference on optimal fertilization times. And if you're interested in learning about fertilizing other crops, be sure to subscribe. We'll be covering those in a future video. Wheat. For wheat, start with a base application of fertilizer before or at planting, typically using 60–80 pounds of nitrogen per acre. This ensures that the young plants have the nutrients they need right from the start. During the tillering stage, around 30–40 pounds of nitrogen per acre should be applied to promote the development of additional shoots. A final top dressing, just before stem elongation, requires another 30–40 pounds of nitrogen per acre to support strong growth and grain development. Corn. When fertilizing corn, begin with a base application of 50–60 pounds of nitrogen per acre before or at planting to establish the seedlings. The next application, known as side dressing, should occur when the plants reach the V6 to V8 growth stages, around knee-high. At this stage, apply an additional 50–70 pounds of nitrogen per acre as the plant's nutrient uptake begins to accelerate. For a final boost before tasseling, add another 30–40 pounds of nitrogen per acre to ensure proper ear development and healthy kernel formation. Methods to fertilize your crops. Now that we understand when to fertilize, let's explore the different methods for applying fertilizers. Choosing the right method can make a significant difference in how effectively your plants absorb nutrients. Here are the 5 main methods of fertilization: broadcasting, banding, side dressing, foliar feeding, and fertigation. First, there's broadcasting, where fertilizer is spread evenly across the entire field. This method is great for covering large areas quickly and works well when preparing the soil before planting. However, it can sometimes lead to uneven distribution if not done carefully. Next, we have banding, which involves placing fertilizer in concentrated bands, either below or beside the seeds during planting. This method ensures that nutrients are close to the plant roots, promoting efficient uptake and reducing waste. Side dressing is another effective method, especially for crops like corn. Fertilizer is applied alongside the rows of growing plants, providing a boost of nutrients exactly when the plants need it most, such as during key growth stages. For smaller-scale operations or garden use, foliar feeding is an option. This method involves spraying liquid fertilizer directly onto the leaves, allowing plants to absorb nutrients quickly. It's useful for giving plants an extra boost or correcting nutrient deficiencies fast. Lastly, there's fertigation, which integrates fertilization with irrigation. By mixing fertilizer with water, you can apply nutrients evenly as you water your crops, making it an efficient method for both large farms and controlled environments like greenhouses. What happens if we don't fertilize our crops? Imagine planting your crops and watching them struggle to grow. What's going wrong? Often, it's because they aren't getting the nutrients they need. Without proper fertilization, your plants might not grow as tall or produce as much. They can end up with fewer leaves and smaller, less nutritious fruits or grains. But it doesn't stop there. Over time, the soil itself becomes drained of essential nutrients. This makes it even harder for future crops to thrive. So, skipping fertilization can seriously hurt both the quantity and quality of your harvest, leaving you with disappointing results and more work in the future. To keep your crops healthy and productive, don't skip the fertilizer. Advanced fertilizer machines. Now that we've covered the basics of fertilization, let's explore the advanced machines that are transforming how we fertilize our crops. First, let's talk about DJI Agras T50 Drones. In modern farming, these are revolutionizing the way we manage crops. These advanced machines help farmers with tasks such as spraying fertilizers and pesticides, and even monitoring crop health. By covering large areas quickly and with pinpoint accuracy, they make farming more efficient and environmentally friendly. Features first. It boasts a high payload capacity, carrying up to 50 kilograms of fertilizer or 40 kilograms of pesticide. This is especially useful for large-scale farms, where efficiency is key. The T50 also features an advanced spraying system with a dual atomizing spraying system, which spreads fine, uniform droplets. This reduces waste and ensures that fertilizers are used effectively, with a flow rate of up to 16 liters per minute. For navigation, the T50 is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and real-time mapping technology. It can smoothly fly over complex terrains, avoid obstacles, and follow the land contours, making it safe and precise even in challenging environments. Beyond spraying, the T50 is versatile enough to handle various tasks. It can be used for surveying fields, mapping areas, and spreading seeds or fertilizers, making it a valuable tool for maximizing farming efficiency. Let's discuss the second machine, Dino Autonomous Robotics. It is the advanced robot designed to make weeding and fertilizing easier and more efficient on large vegetable farms. This cutting-edge machine shows how autonomous technology is transforming agriculture with precision, efficiency, and sustainability. Features Dino operates autonomously, navigating fields all on its own using GPS and advanced sensors. It follows preset paths to ensure every part of the field is covered effectively, without needing any human intervention. When it comes to weeding and fertilizing, Dino excels with precision. It uses mechanical tools to remove weeds without chemicals, and it applies fertilizers directly to the base of plants. This targeted approach reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impact of farming practices. Dino is highly adaptable and can handle a variety of crops, especially those grown in rows like lettuce, carrots, and onions. Its adjustable tools and configurations make it suitable for different types of soils and crop arrangements. Sustainability is at the core of Dino's design. By combining mechanical weeding with precise fertilization, it reduces reliance on herbicides and excess fertilizers, contributing to healthier soil and more sustainable farming practices. Despite its advanced capabilities, Dino is user-friendly. Farmers can easily program and monitor its activities through a simple interface, making it accessible even if you don't have extensive technical expertise. Now talk about the John Deere GreenStar Variable Rate Technology, VRT, system as a next machine. It is a cutting-edge solution that's transforming precision farming. This advanced technology allows farmers to apply inputs like seeds, fertilizers, and chemicals with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every part of the field gets exactly what it needs. Features: the GreenStar VRT system uses detailed field maps and data-driven insights to adjust application rates in real time. This means you can apply varying amounts of seeds, fertilizers, or pesticides based on specific field conditions, optimizing resources and maximizing crop yields. The system's precision comes from its ability to analyze soil health and crop requirements across different parts of the field. This targeted approach not only improves crop performance, but also helps in reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. By integrating seamlessly with John Deere's equipment, the GreenStar VRT system ensures smooth operation and accurate application. It's compatible with a range of John Deere machinery, making it easy to incorporate into existing farming setups. Additionally, the GreenStar VRT system enhances efficiency by automating the adjustment of input rates. This means fewer manual adjustments and more consistent application, saving time and labor for farmers. The system also provides valuable data and insights that help in making informed decisions about field management. This data-driven approach supports better planning and resource allocation for future planting seasons. Fertilizers are the backbone of modern agriculture, and understanding them is key to unlocking better yields and healthier soils. We've covered a lot today, from the basics to the most advanced machinery in the industry. But there's so much more to explore. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll dive deeper into sustainable farming practices. Together, let's grow a better future.